Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nafali Prasetya. I'm from 11th grade software engineering class, and today I want to explain you about business in digital era. Before we start, I want to explain what is business. Business is a commercial venture in the world of commerce. In economics, a business is an organization that sells goods or services to customers or other business for a profit. Business is one of the activities in the economic field. Business, in a broad sense, in general terms that describe an activity and an institution that produce goods and services in everyday life. And what is digital era? The general understanding of the digital era is a condition of the era or life in which all activity that support life can be facilitated by the existence of technology. In addition, the digital era is also present in order to replace some of the past technologies so that they can be more modern and also more practical. In order to deal with it well, then you must prepare a very mature business plan. What can you do in this digital era? One of the things that you can do in this digital era is making a startup or an application. It's because nowadays people use their smartphone a lot, and smartphone is helping them to do a lot of stuff like ordering food, buy tickets, managing stuff, and others. And there is still a lot of activities that done offline. We can change it using an app, so people can do a lot of activities with only one gadget. For example, Gojek. In the past, Gojek used to in the past, if you want to go somewhere, we need to search for an object and we need to go outside. But now, because of Gojek, we don't need to do that anymore. Gojek can find you an object can find an object for you. You just need to set a destination and wait until the object comes to your house. So because of Gojek, the activity that used to be offline, like finding Gojek, is now online with your smartphone. And another example is Shopee. In the past, if you want to buy something, we need to go to the store and buy it ourselves. But now, with Shopee, we don't need to do that anymore. With Shopee, we can search the store in the Shopee app, and we can find the item and click buy. It's that simple. So, and with Shopee, the owner of the store don't need to deliver the item to his customer. Shopee provide delivering service, and also Shopee is collaboration with delivery service company. So the customer just need to pick the delivery service. And I already think about my project in the future, and that product, that the name is Bing. So let me explain it. Bing is short for bimbingan konseling in bahasa, or in English is counseling guidance. So Bing provides you counseling guidance for a student who want to study about counseling. And also it helps teacher organize with his counseling team, so with making materials and making questions. And now I'll already make an UI UX for it, and this is the app, the design for the app. So in this application you have this option screen. You can be a student or you can be a teacher. For a teacher, you have your own, you can make your own class by clicking this button, and you can make it. You can have a picture, you can have lesson 1, lesson 2, or you can make a team, and you can organize it in your team area, in your team screen. So you have your participant, and you have your team, and you have vision and your mission for the team, and you have the your team classes, and also you can make your own, and you can make your so your team make you can make an event like a live, and also you can make a note in your teacher home screen. For this example, you go to this menu. Wait, let me search for it. So if you go to that menu, or maybe there is nothing about it. Oh, here it is. If you go to this menu, you can note your student as a teacher. So this is the name of student, the gender, the class of the student, and this is the date when the note is made. And this is the trouble of the student. For example, being lazy in class or something. And also you can make them test question. There is a counseling question for this example, is to determine your trouble. Are you trouble with your career, or trouble with your education, trouble with your social, and or your private trouble? You can make your own question like this. You can make your own. And also in the home screen, you can have your chat like this. Your chat to your student, or your chat to your team. And in the student screen, you will have an explanation about counseling, and this is the explanation. And then you will have a category for the problem. For example, you have a social problem, learning problem, or pornography problem, family problem, and you can search the class in this screen. And also you will have the class menu for you can search the class in this search view. And this is a live event, so you can join as a student to the live, and you will have your chat to your teacher. And also if you want to know your problem, you can find a question from your school or from another school. Like for the example is the MC from counseling team in elementary school in IDNBS or in Negeri 1 Pamijahan. And then you can fill this question and you will have your result. What is the most problem you have? For this example, you have social is your most problem, and if you click this, you can go to the social menu. Here, social menu. This is the explanation, and this is all the class that related to social. And inside the class, you will have this screen. You will have lesson 1, lesson 2, or you can also chat with the teacher who make this class, or the team. And inside the class, it will say like this. It will be like this: the video or the material, and also there is a profile menu for teacher and for student. And maybe that's all. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.